Kinumpirma ng isang miyembro ng Anti-Money Laundering Council o AMLAC na tunay o tinatawag na authentic yung mga dokumentong kanilang ibinigay at siya namang ipinilisinta ni Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales sa impeachment trial. Tungkol yan sa mga umano'y dollar account ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Nakatutok si Sandra Aguinaldo.
These are the documents.
Matapos iwagayway ni Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales ang dokumentong ito sa impeachment trial, tuloy-tuloy na ang pagdedetalye tungkol sa umano'y $82 accounts ni Chief Justice Renato Corona. Sabi ni Morales, galing ito sa Anti-Money Laundering Council o AMLAC. Pero kinuwestiyon ng depensa kung authentic o tunay ang dokumento na naging basihan ng ombudsman sa pagsasabing may $12 million sa bangko si Corona. Si Attorney Emmanuel Dook, Commissioner ng Insurance Commission at miyembro ng AMLAC, may sagot sa depensa.
What we can authenticate is to establish that these are the reports. These are culled from the actual reports transmitted to us by the covered entities, which are required under the law to submit to us covered and suspicious transactions within 5 working days from the date of the transaction.
Ang AMLAC ay Financial Intelligence Unit ng Pilipinas pangontra sa money laundering. Pinamumunuan ito ng Governor ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, miyembro naman ng Chairman ng Securities and Exchange Commission at Commissioner ng Insurance Commission. Ayon kay Dook, aprobado nilang lahat ang ulat na ipinasa sa Ombudsman.
I confirm that that's the only statement I can make on that subject. It came from AMLA. Yeah, the council approved it under the law. The council should act unanimously.
Ang ginawa raw nila, walang kinalaman sa politika.
They should have subpoenaed us so we could have established the authenticity of that. I will never allow myself to be used as a political tool to promote the interests of anyone.
Pero para sa abogado ni Corona, walang saysay ang sinabi ni Dook.
The statement of the AMLA is an out-of-court declaration that has not been tested in court. He was not placed on the stand.
Pero si Senador Sergio Osmeña, naniniwalang para matapos ang kontrobersya, dapat ipagputos na lang ni Corona sa mga bangko na buksan ang bank accounts niya.
Simple lang ito eh. Just sign a waiver now to all these banks saying to release the information related to those accounts.
Absolute yan eh. Yung privilege yan. Hindi mo ako pwede compel na i-waive ko yan. Karapatan ko yan. Yun ang interpretasyon niya, opinion. Hindi natin malalaman kung paano haharapin ni Chief Justice.
Sa pagharap daw ni Corona sa impeachment court sa Martes, umaasa si Osmeña na maipapaliwanag nito ang kanya umanong mga dollar accounts, maging ang kaugnayan umano ni Corona sa ilang transaksyong kinasangkutan ng Basa Guidotti Enterprises. Hindi raw makabubuti sa Chief Justice kung gagamit ito ng teknikalidad sa kanyang depensa.
It would be very bad for him if he says, oh, you cannot touch my bank account because that's protected by law. That is the worst admission he can make na that he is something, he is hiding something.
Sandra Aguinaldo, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.